You open an investing app, tap a button, and buy a stock in seconds. It feels simple. But behind that tap, millions of dollars are moving. So what's actually happening? Because if you're putting money in the market, you should know what machine you just plugged into. If you don't understand how the stock market works, every drop feels scary and every spike feels confusing. But once you see the mechanics, the emotion fades and smarter decisions start. A stock is ownership. When you buy a share of a company, you're buying a tiny piece of that business. If the company grows, your piece can become more valuable. If it struggles, your piece can shrink. You're not gambling on numbers. You're owning part of a business. Stocks are bought and sold on exchanges, which are simply marketplaces where buyers and sellers meet and agree on a price. Prices move based on supply and demand. If more people want to buy than sell, the price rises. If more want to sell than buy, the price falls. There's no mystery force behind it, just people agreeing on value. Let's say a company reports strong profits and investors expect future growth. More people want in, demand rises, and the price goes up. Now imagine bad news hits and investors worry. More people want out, and the price drops. The market is constantly adjusting based on expectations about the future, not the past. Here's a simple example. You buy 10 shares of a company at $50 each, investing $500. If the price rises to 60, your shares are now worth 600 and you gain 100. If the price falls to 40, your shares are worth 400 and you lost 100. Nothing physical changed. Just the market's opinion of value. Now picture two investors who both buy the same stock at 50. The price drops to 40. One panics and sells, locking in a loss. The other understands volatility and holds through the drop. If the stock later recovers to 65, their outcome is completely different. Same stock, different reaction. Understanding how the market works changes behavior. The biggest beginner mistake is thinking the stock market is random. It's not random. It's emotional. Short-term moves are driven by fear and greed. Long-term growth is driven by business performance. If you treat short-term swings as permanent truths, you'll make costly decisions. Over time, the market tends to reflect company earnings, innovation, productivity, and economic growth. That's why long-term investors focus on years, not days. The market rewards patience more than prediction. The stock market is a marketplace for ownership priced by expectations. When you invest, you're not playing a game. You're participating in business growth. So before reacting to a headline, ask yourself, Has the business changed, or just the mood? Because that difference is where smart investing lives. This is Budget Boosters, where money is simple,